want to learn English easily, please watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like to encourage me. Thank you. Welcome to our first lesson today. Hi, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Maria. What about you?
I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John. Where are you from?
I'm from London, UK, and you?
I'm from Ottawa, Canada. Do you live here?
Yes, I live near the sea. How about you?
I'm just visiting for the weekend. Do you come here often?
Yes, I like walking on the beach. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and drawing. How about you?
I love playing football and watching movies. Do you like sports?
A little, but I prefer music. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar. Can you play?
Not really, but I want to learn. Do you work or study?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I work in IT. Do you like teaching?
Yes, very much. It's rewarding. Do you like your job?
Yes, it's challenging but interesting. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and stay tuned for the next lesson. Bye-bye.